While Manheim Township Police Chief Dwayne Fisher is now currently on paid administrative leave, we did just find out that the new acting chief of this department is Senior Lieutenant Brian Fries. And this will continue to be the case until the conclusion of the internal investigation into the incident. But many other questions about the investigation still remain.
Oh, I'm incredibly thankful that no one was hurt, but damn, that was irresponsible.
Duncan Hopkins with Lancaster Stands Up says this video was a topic of conversation at a community town hall on Thursday night about policing.
I want to know why the off-duty police chief had a gun on him in the first place. I want to know why he ended up in the situation where he was running towards the motorcyclist with his gun out. I want to know also what is being done within the Manheim Township Police Department and what are other police departments doing looking at the situation to make sure that this kind of thing doesn't happen again.
I did ask the township manager today what exactly is being investigated and by who. I also reached out to every person on the Board of Commissioners for the township, and not one person has replied to any of my requests. In a statement provided to me by the Lancaster County District Attorney Heather Adams, she confirmed her office is not investigating the chief's use of force. She writes the office determined that the actions did not rise to a level of a potential criminal act. I asked if this applies to the off-duty chief, and she said yes, because he is a police officer acting within his jurisdiction. She also wrote whether the use of force or tactics used during the traffic stop was within or against policy, training, or best practices is the sole determination of Manheim Township. Now, something else to note, I did reach out to Benny Pena Rivera. That's the man in that video with Chief Dwayne Fisher on the motorcycle. I reached out to his attorney today to ask what's next. He tells me that they are considering a civil suit, and currently a civil rights law firm is evaluating the case, and they should know more next week if they're going to move further with that. As for all of my other inquiries on the day with Manheim Township and the manager there, I will let you know as soon as somebody gets back to me. In Lancaster County, Sarah Metz, WGAL News 8.